The Ortega method uses 12 algorithms and it's pretty fast. The first step is to make a face. The second step is to make the other face. And the third step is to solve the rest. Firstly, I want to address two things. One, make sure you're color neutral. And that means you can make your first face on any side. And two, if you're able to solve a 2x2, you should be able to make your first face. But if you want to know how to do that efficiently, you can go watch that video. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm not going to go too in depth about the face. You should be able to do that anyway. So we go on to, this is 7 algorithms. So the first case, if you see 2 bars, and by bars I mean they're touching like that, then hold one on the back, one on the front, and then do this algorithm. If instead you see a bar here and the other 2 are facing outwards, then put the bar on the left and do this. A front move, followed by 2 sexy moves, and the sexy move being this. And remember that. So another one, and then undo. So if you have a corner oriented here, and you can see a sticker right here, then hold it like this, and then do this. First 3 moves is kind of like a sexy move, but then you do this, and then insert this corner like that. Next, if you kind of have the mirror of that case, so you have a corner, but the corner's here, then you hold it like this. If I put like this, there's no corner here, so it would be like this instead, and then do this. And if you have a bar on the top and bar on the side, then hold like this, so the bar on the top is on the right and the bar on the side is on the left, and then do this. A front move, and then do a sexy move, and then just undo that. If you get a case where there's a bar on the top and the other 2 are facing like this, then hold the bar on the right and then do this. A sexy move, followed by these 4 moves, which I'll call a sledgehammer. Remember that as well. And if you get a case where 2 oriented corners are diagonal, then make sure you hold it so you can see a sticker right here. So this is the key sticker. And then we do this algorithm. A reverse of sledgehammer, and then reverse of sexy move. Alright, next step is PBL, or permute both layers. So this is where you solve the rest. And you're either going to be able to see on each layer a bar, it's solved, or there is no bar. So on one of the layers, you're going to always find that. So for case 1, if you find the bar on one side and solved on the other side, then if it was like this, you can simply flip it over and then just put the bar on the left and then do this. This is called the J-perm. So basically you do the first 3 moves as a sexy move ending with this, then you do a sexy move, and then you go into a sledgehammer, but then you just go up and then finish it off. If you have no bar on one side and solved on the other, then put no bars on the top. It doesn't matter how you hold it, just whatever, and then do this. So start with an F move, and then you kind of do a sexy move, but the second move is this. Then do another sexy move, but it's this as the last move. Then sexy move and sledgehammer, and then correct the top layer. If you have a bar on both of the layers, then put both the bars on the front and then do this. And then just correct the layer. If you have a bar on one side and no bar on the other side, then hold the bar on the top, and it doesn't matter how this is oriented, just hold it in anywhere, and then do this. First 3 moves are like this, then do F2, and then just undo them, and then 1 more move. And if you have no bars on the top and the bottom, then it doesn't really matter how you hold this. Do R2, F2, R2, or R2, B2, R2, and then 1 more move. So that's this Ortega tutorial in under 5 minutes. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and see you next time.